In the vast and often turbulent world of cryptocurrency, a unique phenomenon has been quietly gathering momentum. It is called Pi Network. Unlike its more famous counterparts like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Pi Network has taken a decidedly different path. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. You don't need powerful computers or deep technical knowledge. This idea has captured the imagination of millions around the globe. Amidst the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of global finance, a new type of institution is emerging. Sidra Bank represents this new frontier. It is not a traditional brick-and-mortar bank with a century of history. Instead, it is a digital native entity, specifically designed to navigate the complexities of the modern financial world. Its mission is to merge the trusted principles of Islamic finance with the cutting-edge technology of the blockchain and cryptocurrency. This unique positioning allows Sidra Bank to offer financial services that are not only technologically advanced, but also ethically grounded. It appeals to a diverse and global customer base that seeks innovation and integrity in their financial dealings.
From my perspective as the CEO of Sidra Bank, our interest in the Pi network is a calculated and strategic decision rooted in a shared vision for the future of finance. We see in Pi network something that transcends a typical cryptocurrency project. With tens of millions of engaged users, Pi has cultivated one of the largest and most dedicated communities in the digital asset space. This is not a small group of tech enthusiasts. It is a diverse, worldwide network of everyday people. We believe the future of banking is decentralized, digital, and inclusive. Furthermore, the enclosed mainnet phase of Pi Network presents a unique window of opportunity.
For the millions of Pi Network holders, the involvement of an institution like Sidra Bank translates directly into tangible, immediate benefits, with security being the most critical. The world of cryptocurrency can be a dangerous place, filled with scams, hacks, and fraudulent schemes that prey on inexperienced users. Hacks and fraudulent schemes. By stepping in, Sidra Bank offers a powerful layer of institutional-grade security. We are developing systems that will help pioneers safeguard their digital assets with advanced cryptographic protocols, multi-factor authentication, and secure wallet management. Beyond technical security, our involvement fosters a profound sense of trust and legitimacy. Sidra Bank's commitment sends a clear message to the world. Pi Network is a serious project with real economic potential. This validation is invaluable. It helps to silence the skeptics and builds confidence among pioneers and potential partners. Our collaboration with the Pi Network community is designed to go far beyond basic security and trust. The true long-term value is unlocking advanced financial tools that will empower every pioneer. Imagine your Pi wallet seamlessly integrated with a full-service digital banking platform. Pioneers will get a sophisticated dashboard to manage their PE holdings alongside traditional assets. The Pi network is in an enclosed mainnet, so direct trading on public exchanges is restricted. We are building infrastructure for peer-to-peer transactions within a secure, regulated environment. We're exploring a marketplace where pioneers can use Pi to buy real-world goods and services from verified merchants. Verified merchants will onboard to accept Pi for payments. This will shift Pi from a speculative asset to a functional currency with tangible utility. The collaboration between Sidra Bank and the Pi Network community represents more than just a benefit for one group of users. It signifies a pivotal moment for the entire digital currency industry. For too long, there has been a deep chasm between cryptocurrency and mainstream banking. Our strategic partnership is designed to build a strong and reliable bridge across this chasm. By integrating compliance frameworks directly into the Pi ecosystem from the ground up, we create a model that satisfies regulators without sacrificing decentralization. This proactive approach to compliance helps de-risk the project and makes it more attractive to institutional partners and mainstream businesses. Moreover, this collaboration fundamentally changes the narrative around cryptocurrency. Pi, supported by Sidra Bank, can be positioned as a stable and useful tool for daily commerce and long-term financial planning. When a currency is backed by a functioning economy, its value ties to utility rather than market sentiment. The future is integration and synergy, not replacement. The implications of this partnership extend far beyond the immediate communities of Sidra Bank and Pi Network. We are laying the groundwork for a significant shift in the global digital economy, often leaving developing nations and marginalized communities with limited access. This combination can create a parallel financial system that is more inclusive and equitable. It creates new centers of commerce and innovation in historically peripheral regions. Our focus on Islamic finance principles brings a new ethical dimension: fairness, transparency, and asset-backed value. This attracts users and investors looking for more than financial returns, systems aligned with their values. An individual in Southeast Asia could use Pi to purchase digital services from a developer in Africa, settled securely through Sidra Bank infrastructure. This removes friction, delays, and high fees associated with traditional cross-border payments. We are helping to construct a new fabric for the global digital economy, more decentralized, more equitable, and more accessible. For every individual who has diligently tapped the mining button on their phone day after day, the road ahead is now illuminated with a much clearer sense of purpose and potential. The future for Pi holders is no longer a distant, abstract concept based solely on hope. In the near term, Pi holders can expect a period of infrastructure development and integration, new features, secure wallet options, and enhanced KYC processes. Save, spend, invest, transact, all under Sidra Bank's secure, trusted umbrella. Once Open Mainnet launches and Pi becomes publicly exchangeable, the infrastructure built by Sidra Bank will be critical. Pioneers will have a trusted and secure platform to manage, convert, and use their Pi. We are standing at a defining moment, not just for the tens of millions of Pi Network pioneers, but for the entire landscape of decentralized finance. The strategic convergence of Pi Network's vast community with Sidra Bank's regulated, ethical, and advanced infrastructure is more than a simple partnership. It addresses the persistent challenges: lack of trust, absence of regulatory clarity, and disconnect from real-world utility. The solitary act of tapping a phone is now merging onto a superhighway of financial innovation. Sidra Bank's trust transforms digital holdings from speculative tokens into the foundation of new personal economies. This alliance reshapes the dialogue around cryptocurrency and signals the transition from idea to functional, sustainable reality.